Unbelievable. A stationary police van catches fire, burns the policeman inside. Oh goodness me. Friends and lovers of freedom, great people out there, I bring you greetings today. Today is a Saturday, the 27th of February 2021. This news is very mysterious. This is very uncanny. I've never seen this kind of thing. A police van stationed in one place. I presume this is a checkpoint somewhere in Biafra land. I'm still trying to get the exact place where this thing happened. A police van at a checkpoint catches fire mysteriously. Nobody knew where the fire came from. Some people say the fire came from above. It catched fire and burned the policeman inside. The passers-by and the neighbors there, as you can see, are trying to help the policeman and rescue him. This is very uncanny. This is mysterious. Yes, Biafra, they say, is a spirit. Recall that just 2 days ago, Nnamdi Kanu gave 40 days ultimatum to all checkpoints across Biafra land, be it a military checkpoint or police checkpoints, to do everything they can and vacate those checkpoints within 40 days. Else, the Eastern Security Network will step in to enforce the order, because they have been using their checkpoint to make illegal arrests, to arrest our people, arrest our men, kill them inside bushes and at desolate places, and dump their bodies and take our women to the far Arewa north and gang rape them there, useless our people. That is why that order came. Now the order is yet to be effected. The 40 days is yet to elapse, and these things are happening. This is no more unknown gunmen attacking police checkpoint. This is a mysterious fire. So many forces are fighting our battle. I must tell you the truth. It does not matter whether the person putting on the uniform is from the opposite divide or from Biafra land. What matters is that you don't want to pull off that Nigerian uniform. If you are one of us, then you are automatically our enemy, because you have been given so many warnings, so many times. You've been given grace time to join Eastern Security Network and you refuse. Because from what is transpiring here, so you're going to see the policeman spoke a voice that resembles that of Igbo. It seems he's an Igbo man, but then that is not our focus. I'm going to allow you to watch the video. Please do us a great favor. If you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe, please, and just hit the like button. Don't forget to also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our subsequent updates, please.
What's going on, police? Man, no, no. Come on, the clothes. Come on, the clothes. Come on, that clothes. Come on, down. Mili. Lie down.
Did you hear the policeman now ask what is even happening in this country? So even the policeman is confused. It's just a 1 minute video. It's not long. I had to loop it because of the analysis I had to add. Upon all the indictments against the security outfit and the government in the handling of the security problems in this country, most Southerners are still in police, still in army, still in different security outfits. I blame them. Whatever thing they see in the coming days, they should be able to take it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you to all our returning subscribers, and thank you to our intending subscribers also. May Elohim in heaven bless and promote you in whatever thing you do, and cause people from across every divide to promote you. Please and please, if you're yet to subscribe, do so, and Elohim will keep us going in Jesus' name.
What's going on, police? Man, no, no. Come on, the clothes. Come on, the clothes. Come on, the clothes. Come on, them. Mini.
Lại ra. Lại ra đi.
Che fai nel Messico in nuovo, dai? What's going on, police? Man, no, no. Come on, the clothes. Come on, the clothes. Come on, the clothes. Come on, them. Mini.
Lại ra. Lại ra đi.
Che fai nel Messico in nuovo, dai?